Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add your name on lock screen on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to add your name on the lock screen of your iPhone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Focus, then tap on the plus icon. Now just select Custom and in the Name section, just enter your name. Now from here, just select your preferred color and select any icon from here. Now after you have entered your name and you have selected your preferred color and the icon, then tap on Next and select Customize Focus. Now from here, just go to your home screen, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, you will find the option of Focus. Just tap on it, and from here just select the Custom Focus mode which we have created. Now if you go to the lock screen of your iPhone, as you can see, we have successfully added our name on the lock screen of our iPhone. And this is how you can add your name on lock screen on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.